Hi and welcome to EZ MultiStores. Now, before we show you this amazing technology, let me ask you something. How would you like to make more money without lifting a finger? That's a stupid question, really, right? I mean, who in their right minds wouldn't want to do that? Right? Okay, so stay with me for a couple of minutes and let me tell you how you can do exactly that. Now I am sure you've noticed the massive shift in the market since the pandemic started. Well, experts are calling it the retail apocalypse. In fact, experts believe this phenomenon started even before the pandemic. Businesses have been shifting from offline to online for quite some time now. But the pandemic has just blown the whole thing out of proportion. There's been a mass exodus of customers running brick-and-mortar businesses or physical stores to online. And various market studies suggest that even after the pandemic is over, your customers' shopping habits would have likely changed for good, and there's a very high chance that they will prefer shopping online. Now, since last year, we have been developing a tool that will help us and our customers cash in on this mass migration of businesses to the online world. But when the lockdowns around the world started and seeing the surge in online shopping thereafter, we went all out to quickly make this tool ready to make massive profits for you. I am delighted to present to you our latest blockbuster product called EZ MultiStores. The world's #1 and fastest authority e-com affiliate store builder, EZ MultiStores is unlike any other builder you ever saw out there. I'm not talking copycat affiliate stores stuff with fake reviews, and copy and paste product listings. That crap won't make you any profits. Do you know why? Because people only preferred to buy from authority stores or sites they feel more secure in making a purchase. They know the refund policy will be transparent, they would get the same quality and design they saw while shopping, and dozens of other things. Now it's true there have been a few store builders release over the past few years. But all of them could not solve the two biggest hurdles faced by anyone trying to build a profitable e-commerce store. First, they all require you to still get API approval from the affiliate network on your own. And mind you, a whopping 90% of these approvals was simply denied without any explanation, so that means your store isn't going to make you any money. It's a dead asset if you bought your store builder for a one-time price, and heaven forbid if you paid a recurring subscription for any of these platforms. It's a massive liability you've been carrying around. The second problem with all these store builders has been that they all require you to have at least some level of technical and working knowledge of at least WordPress, but with EZ MultiStores we have the focus to solve these problems for our customers once and for all. EZ MultiStores, being a cloud-based platform, doesn't require you to download or install anything, just log in from anywhere and get started even on your smartphone. Also, you don't need any approvals or permissions from any of the top 5 networks included. Just select the products and let EZ MultiStores do the rest. In creating EZ MultiStores we used a super advanced technology that helps you quickly set up a beautiful looking store in just seconds. All you have to do is click on any of the 8 pre-built themes and your store's ready. Next, with just one click you add products in bulk from 5 major e-commerce affiliate networks: Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Best Buy, and AliExpress. That's it, you are ready to sell and earn fat commissions. You don't need any API approvals or any permissions. Heck, you don't even need any hosting or even a website. Everything is cloud-based and hosted by us. No need to spend even a penny on buying a domain. Another unique thing about EZ MultiStores is that it has a built-in system that auto-generates free traffic from Facebook and Twitter. You don't need to run any paid ads either, and that saves you a ton of money. EZ MultiStores is loaded with tons of feature that will make you loads of sales. We've got everything from imported top-selling products from the top 5 affiliate networks to auto-curating and publishing unlimited relevant product review videos, all the way to price drop notifications via email and social media. In terms of how EZ MultiStore outperforms every other store builder on this planet, I just scratched the surface here. Check out all the features and other details on this page to see for yourself how superior the technology behind EZ MultiStores really is. Before you go, I must tell you one more thing. Only during this special launch, you can get EZ MultiStores for this special low one-time price. The exclusive bonuses line up on the page are also available only during this launch. Once this launch ends, the price will increase to a much higher recurring fee payable monthly or yearly, and the bonuses will be taking off too. Now go ahead, check the rest of the features under this video and make sure you get early access with all the benefits included today. If you're watching this on YouTube, please give me a like and subscribe for more ways to make money online.